part of movement to increase the challenge and improve balance and strength in the back. Key benefits include a stronger core for better posture, reduced back pain, and improved balance. Donkey kicks offer benefits such as building glute strength and toning, improving hip stability, strengthening the core and lower back, and promoting better posture by counteracting the effect of prolonged sitting. Push-up position builds upper body and core strength by engaging the chest, shoulders, triceps, and abdominal muscles. Health taps is important to help stabilize the spine and support posture and add mobility to the hips. Bridge post is beneficial for strengthening the back, glutes, and legs while improving posture and flexibility. Pelvic tilts support the lower back and pelvic floor, creating a more stable environment for the body.